And we're back. This is the 5th video of the pen tool course in Illustrator, and I've got this template of the Batman logo. I've uploaded it to my website. You can download it there for free. Just go to my website, you will find the link to that in the description below, and in the menu you will see the free stuff button. Just click on it and you can download this little PNG file. I'll select it, go to Object and then lock it. I've created a smart guide in the middle. Just press Ctrl R, you've got your rulers, and then drag it from left to right. Make sure that your Batman template is centered properly with the Align menu, and now we'll use the pen tool. But make sure that you don't have a fill color. It helps you when you draw the outline. Go to the first starting point, go to the second one and then hold and drag to create these handles until you've got the curvature. Then go back to the anchor point, click on it, and now you can go to the next one, hold and drag. Create the next curvature with the handles. Then release the line by clicking on the last anchor point. And go to the next is a simple line, so just click. Go to the next one, click and drag slightly. Once more, click and drag slightly. Release it. Go to the top one, drag, just like so. Release it. And then go to the middle position and close the shape by going downwards to the starting point. So now we've got our basic path created, select it. Let's give it a red fill so that you can see what we're doing here. Right click, transform, or you can simply use the reflect tool, but we're going to make it like this. Right click, transform and then reflect. Make sure vertical is activated. Under preview you can see the effect before you activate it. Click on copy and now you can reposition the second half. As long as you've got the smart guides activated, they'll help you. You can do so under View, Smart Guides, and check them. Select both halves, and now we can use the Shape Builder tool to connect them. Then we get rid of the template. First, Object, Unlock All, and I'll delete it. Then we clear the guides under View, Guides, and now I'll use the Shape Builder tool to connect the shapes, and I'll make the fill color black. And here we have our Batman logo redrawn with the pen tool in Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.